Before you proceed to watch this live trading video, please understand that you will have to watch first 3 videos in order to understand the strategy that you're about to see. So please go to my channel here on YouTube and click on the playlists, and now click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Now, once you click on it, you will have here many videos that you have got to watch first, including these 2 right here, the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2, and don't forget to follow it later with the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategies. Watching these videos is highly important to understand the strategy that I'm offering here on my channel for free. And mainly, of course, you will have to watch this one right here, because this is the main core of the strategy. These other 3 videos right here will help you to improve this strategy right here. So please watch them first in order to understand what I'm doing right here, and you can also apply it later. Hello everyone, and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking, and I had to place the sell order, the buy order, stop loss right here, take profit level at the nearest support. Okay guys, so of course I will explain to you now the reason behind of this trade, but before that, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also another thing which is really important to mention right here, I'm receiving a lot of questions telling me why I cannot make profits same like you are doing in the videos. Now guys, let me just tell you something. First of all, for a starter, choosing your right broker is a key element in being successful with this strategy. Now my strategy is completely relying on the entry, and therefore you have to pick the right broker. As you can see guys, I'm using IC Markets, and look at that, IC Markets is giving me this 0 spread for all of the USD pairs, even for the pound pairs. As we can see, one pip, 0.8 pip, 1.1, 0.3. That is what I'm looking for. Even the gold is 0.8, and sometimes a flat 0 also on the gold. So choosing the right broker is very, very important when you are using this strategy. Another reason, of course, is the timing of the trades. Now, of course, there are a lot of things that I can talk about, from the timing of your trades, from choosing the time of the high volatility news, from the time of choosing the opening of UK sessions or the US session, the timing of you name it. I mean, a lot of things. Also, another thing is important to mention, that this strategy can never work every single time. Of course, there will be losses, but it's more important for me, in my opinion, to study every single loss happened. It happened with me a lot of times when I fail a trade, and then when I review it, I realize, ooh, that's why it failed. So I can remember what happened later, and I can mark it for the next time. Anyway, guys, and also another question, I think I have answered it before. Someone asked me why I'm not using the stop loss in the old videos. Sometimes I'm using the stop loss, sometimes I don't. Of course, that was in the old videos. If you reviewed, guys, it was all back in 2019 videos. I was not using the stop loss at that time. It worked for a while, but after some time, I started to lose my trades and actually blowing the account. And I realized that always use the stop loss. So in the old videos, you will see me not using the stop loss, but in the new one, you will surely see me placing the stop loss first thing of all. Anyway, let me now explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Now, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame right now, the pound CHF is actually facing right here a support level. And as you can see, guys, this was, of course, the real level of the support. Then we had here the fake breakout from this level. And now we can see that the candle is actually respecting the same level of a real support. Now, of course, that's not enough to cut it. Let's go again back to the 15-minute time frame. Now, what I will do is simply combining. Look at that, we're running in good profits. What I will do simply, guys, is combining the Fibonacci retracement along with the trend lines. So first of all, Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is telling us that we are actually right now on Fibonacci 23.6 when I have opened my trade. So that support right here is on 23.6, and for that reason, of course, I decided to open my trade, because if the market is going to continue to fall below 23.6, that means that this trend is no longer bullish, it's going to be a bearish one. Second of all is the trend lines. So what I will do is simply choose right here any strong key support trend line level, like this one, for example, and just connect it to any other support trend line, any. And that's the reason I'm telling you guys you have to watch my video called The Magic of Trend Lines. So as you can see, we have connected this support trend line with this one, and it led us to this one right here. It became a resistance trend line and eventually became a support trend line. So now what I will do next is simply use the same line everywhere I trade. For example, check this out. That's fantastic, guys. Check this out right here. I have moved my line and placed it right here on that level of a support trend line, and also we can see right here that this was an accurate reversal point where the market has originally reversed. Check this out. Fantastic, right? So from here to there, and we are in profit. As you can see, guys, yes, $78 of profit. The account is finally above $3,000. What? Whoa. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Oh, come on. I was going to close the trade in profit. Oh. All right. Market is doing this shit all the time. 50. It was in 78. Hopefully this will not last for long, because right now we are actually on 38.2. Anyway, guys, it usually happens. Don't worry. I just really wanted to exit this trade as soon as possible, but I think this is gonna take a while. Let me know, please, guys. Oh, come on, market. Don't do this to me. Naughty pips. All right, so as long as we are above 3,000, I'm really satisfied. This is gonna continue the rise. There is no way for it to fall at the moment. After all what I have explained, I believe that this trade is gonna continue the rise, and I think it will hit the take profit level. Anyway, guys, let me know, please. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, so finally we are back in profit of $75. I'm gonna accept it and take it before it's gonna change its opinion again like what happened earlier. I'm so happy with the profits that we have made. It was a good deal, guys. It was a good profit. Yeah, it was indeed a good one. Now the account is finally above 3,000. Actually, I was struggling since yesterday. I have faced some losses, to be honest with you. I opened the trade earlier on the pound JPY. I will be honest with everyone here. I opened the trade on the pound JPY earlier this day, early morning, just now, actually, just like 1 hour ago. Right here, actually, I think, wait a minute. Oh, sorry. Yeah, earlier, yeah, I think, yes. What was it? What was pound JPY? Or Euro JPY? I think, yeah, it was EURUSD. That's why. Okay, so actually what happened, guys, I have actually made a mistake where actually I placed here a sell order, to be honest, right here exactly. I think, yes, on that level of a resistance. I have seen this setup right here, and I thought that we're having here a previous level of a resistance, and I thought that the market will be respecting the same level of a resistance. I placed my sell order exactly right here, and the stop loss was placed right there. As you can see, the trade just hit the stop loss and then went back in profit. It was really annoying to me, and I just felt so angry about it. But again, guys, these are one of the reasons when the trade, or actually when the trade doesn't work. This strategy is profitable, it's very reliable, but of course you cannot expect from it to work every single time. There will be some times when your trade is gonna fail, and of course we have to accept that losses are part of this business, and we just have to live with it. Anyway, guys, let me know, please. Pause the recording, then I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen. I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. Alright, guys, so actually this might not be related to the strategy, but I cannot just miss this opportunity. I think I will just place the sell order right now. I cannot keep I cannot keep waiting. Yes, I have to place the sell order right now. Fantastic. Risking only $90 on this trade. Take profit level will be right here, 154.57. All right, so let me now explain to you this setup, which actually might be new on this channel because I'm fully relying on the momentum and the price action. This trade has nothing to do with the trend lines or the Fibonacci, unfortunately, guys, but it is something that I cannot really miss. I need to earn money, and this is really promising. Anyway, yeah, we can include the trend lines right here. Let me explain to you first of all. Right here, guys, on the 1 hour time frame, first of all, what we are having right here is a head and shoulders pattern on the NZD/USD. So that means that the pair will most likely right now gonna continue the fall, because on the 1 hour time frame we can see this pattern, and this pattern is really trustworthy to decide that we can start selling the market. Now, another thing here I want to highlight is that level of a broken support trend line. Check this out right here exactly. Now, as you can see, we are having here that level of support trend line which has been respected repeatedly, and now finally we're having here that one bearish candle which seems like it's gonna make a bearish breakout from that level of a previous support trend line. Now indeed, I have placed my trade right here on a support level, I agree with you, but again I told you that I'm relying on the momentum. Now I want you guys to look at this. What is this? What are these wicks right here? These wicks right here, guys, are telling us that there is a strong pressure from the sellers to push the market to continue the fall. I mean, it's really indicates for that the bears are controlling the market, and for that I believe that it's going to be really fantastic opportunity to sell the market. I mean, look at that. I mean, there is really absolutely no way for the market to rise after having all these wicks right here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the same level of a resistance. Combining that with the fact that we're having head and shoulders pattern, all of them together, of course with that support trend line as well, the broken level of support trend line, all of that together indicates that the market will continue the fall. Now someone might tell me, but Stella, aren't you worried that the next candle will continue the rise to retest the broken level of the support trend line and then continue the fall? The answer is no, I'm not worried, because again I'm telling you, we are relying on the momentum. And as you can see right here, those wicks right here indicates for a strong pressure from these sellers to continue pushing the market to continue to fall more down. And if the retest is gonna ever happen, it will happen only after it reach our take profit level to that level of the support, and then it will make a pullback to retest the broken level of support trend line. Only then we can consider buying right here and sell again from there. But for the meantime, we will just move with the momentum. So again, guys, forgive me. This one not in the books. It's just from my experience in trading. And for that, as we can see, I have placed my trade right here and my take profit level to be right here at the nearest support to my entry. And the stop loss was placed right here for investment reasons. So anyway, guys, let me know, please. Actually, we need to increase this a little bit more. I don't like to place my stop loss exactly on the peak of the resistance. Always be safe. Okay, so let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see, guys, the trade actually was going in profit. It was getting closer to the take profit level. I was about to close it, but unfortunately we can see the pullback has already happened. What a bummer, what a bummer. I was about to close it in almost $100 of profit. What a bummer. Actually 130. I feel really bad. It's really annoying. I think it will continue falling. I'm not sure what to do. Should I close it? Shall I keep it? I don't know, to be honest with you. I think I'm gonna close it, guys. I'm gonna close it. Unfortunately, we have missed one good opportunity. Let me see. I'm done. Let me close it, guys. I missed it, and that's it. I think it will continue now continue the rise after reaching the take profit level. Anyway, guys, $30 of profit. It's okay. Let's take it. Let me know, please. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. Alright, guys, so I noticed that the video is already 13 minutes length. I mean, that's really enough. I noticed that the long videos are not really interesting here on this channel, but however, now the market actually not also good, because the core PPI news just hit the market, as you can see. It helped, of course, my midweek signals, as we can see, thankfully. EURUSD signal is now active in 32 pips of profit. Pound USD has almost been activated with 48 pips of profit. AUDUSD already now activated also with 24 pips of profit. USDCAD also almost activated, but it didn't reach it. USDJPY not. NZDUSD is now activated and running in 25 pips of profit. So Gold, of course, has already is approaching the take profit level. So of course the core PPI news hit the market, guys. For that reason, it's really hard to trade right now. I will have to stop trading anyway for at least like an hour for the market to calm down. So 13-14 minutes in length, that's fine. I will see you again in more live trading videos, and until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.